In this video, I will show you how to reset the audio or sound settings of your Samsung Smart TV and fix any issue with the audio or sound being too bad, or the audio of your Samsung Smart TV not being loud enough, or in the situation where you've messed with the audio or sound settings of your Samsung Smart TV. Resetting the audio settings might just help you fix any of these issues. And to do that, what you want to do is to use the navigation buttons on your Samsung remote control to just navigate to the left hand side until you get to the settings icon, which is basically this gear icon. Now go ahead and select it, and from the settings of your Samsung Smart TV, you want to come down to sound, select sound, and then scroll down to where you have the expert settings over here. Go ahead and select this option, and from here you just want to scroll over to the bottom and you're going to see the reset sound option. Now go ahead and select it just like so, and then scroll over to the left and then select reset. Now this will automatically reset the audio and sound settings of your Samsung Smart TV, and if there is any issue like the sound of your Samsung Smart TV being too bad or the volume not being high enough, resetting the audio and sound setting will definitely help you fix this issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.